Hello, today's topic.
At the doctor's office.
Welcome to the doctor's office. How can I assist you today?
I'm feeling quite unwell. I think I might have a fever.
I see. Have you been experiencing any other symptoms?
Yes, I've been coughing a lot and feeling very tired.
Okay, let's take your temperature and check your vital signs.
Try not to worry too much. We'll figure it out together.
All right, your temperature is slightly elevated. Have you had any recent travel?
No, I haven't traveled anywhere lately. Just been at home.
I see. Have you been in contact with anyone who's been sick?
Yes, my coworker was sick last week with a bad cold.
That could be a possible source of your illness. Let's do some tests.
Okay, what kind of tests do I need to take?
We'll start with a blood test and possibly a chest X-ray.
Will it hurt? I'm a bit scared of needles.
It might feel like a pinch, but it's over quickly. You'll be fine.
All right, I'll try to be brave. Thank you for your reassurance.
You're welcome. It's important to stay proactive about your health.
I understand. I'll do whatever it takes to feel better.
That's the spirit. Let's get started with the tests then.
Thank you, doctor. I appreciate your help.
Is there anything else you're concerned about or any questions you have?
Well, I've also been having some stomach pain and nausea.
I see. We'll need to examine that as well. Have you been eating properly?
I've been eating as usual, but I haven't had much of an appetite.
That's something we'll need to address. It could be related to your symptoms.
I'm just worried it might be something serious.
It's important not to jump to conclusions. Let's do a thorough examination.
Okay, I'll trust your judgment, Doc.
Thank you for your trust. Let's work together to find the cause of your discomfort.
Vocabulary.
Fever. Symptom. Cough. Tired. Temperature. Contact. Sick. Blood. Health. Proactive. Appreciate. Pain. Nausea. Appetite. Serious. Conclusion. Thorough. Examination. Judgment. Discomfort.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications so you don't miss any of our videos.